So, analog siya. So, ang difference niya kay automatic is wala tong tire pressure monitoring tsaka cruise control.
So, what's up guys? Summer here and another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So, for today's video, ipapresent ko naman sa inyo ngayon ay yung entry level ng MG ZS which is the MT style. So, tara, reviewin natin siya. So, kung bago ka pa nga lang dito sa channel ko, please hit the like and subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko dito on my YouTube channel. So, simulan na natin ang pag-review. So, guys, this is the MG ZS MT Style 2024. It is a 1.5 liter engine and then ang SRP niya is 848,888. So, as you can see guys, kapareha siya ng automatic sa headlamps which is projector headlamps with LED daytime running lamps. So, it has a fog lamps also with a Stardust grills and big MG badge. So, ayan. So, this is the engine of the MG ZS 1.5 liter MT Style 2024. So, it is a 1.5 liter engine and then double overhead camshaft na siya. It has a 114 horsepower by 6,000 RPM and then ang highest torque naman is 150 Newton meter by 4,500 RPM. So, ayan. Then, ito ang kagandahan niya, may cover siya. Yung ibang brand kasi is walang cover. Especially mga Japanese brand. So, ito naman yung gulong na ZS MT Style. It is a 16-inch rim with a size of 205 by 60 ring 16. And then, naka-disc brake na rin siya. Then, yung post sa kaya, it is a crossover 5-seater. And then, ito naman yung side turn signal niya. Then, same here sa rear is naka-disc brake na rin siya. So, tignan natin yung loob.
Ito naman yung 12-inch analog design ng meter cluster ni MT Style. So, analog siya. So, ang difference niya kay automatic is wala tong tire pressure monitoring tsaka cruise control. So, it is a plain. And then, dito naman, same lang, 2-inch LCD display with Bluetooth. And then, ito yung manual niya for aircon. Tapos, ito, same lang. It is a leather wrap. Then, sa upuan naman naka-fabric siya. Yan, fabric with white stitch. And then, 5-speed manual transmission. So, it has a 12-volt. And then, ito yung parking brake niya. So, ito naman yung lagay ng kung ano-ano. Tapos, 2 cup holders. So, wala lang siyang armrest. Tapos, dito naman, ito naman yung sa adjusting ng side mirror. Tapos, ito naman yung sa buga ng headlamps. So, yan. So, ito plastic din to. Then, dito naman, ang trim niya ay fabric. So, ito naman niya. Yan naman yung compartments niya. Black compartment. Corn holder. So, yeah. Tapos, may halogen ka naman dito. So, pag binuksan ko to, iilaw siya. O, diba? So, same, walang vanity mirror. Nating shade holder. So, punta na tayo sa second row. So, ito naman yung second row. So, ganyan yung design ng fabric niya sa likod, upuan. Then, it is a 60-40 folding, guys. So, yeah. Malaki din yung headroom and legroom niya. Then, ito yung size ng legroom ko. So, ito nga palang sasakyan na to, it has immobilizer. Actually, lahat ng brand, it has immobilizer. So, it has immobilizer and alarm system. So, dito naman sa likod, so, naka-LED tail lamps na siya with fog lamps. So, ayan. Ganda ng color block nila. Then, same with the automatic, with the badge. So, ayan. May lamps na din siya para pag may kukunin ka. So, ganyan kalaki yung likod. And then, so, yan. May set of tools and meron na rin siyang spare tire. Plus, tonneau cover. Tonneau cover. So, malaki siya, guys. Actually, kasya dyan 3 large traveling bags or kahit 4 pag tinanggal yung tonneau cover. So, then yung likod and large. So, that's it, guys, and I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa pagpe-present ko. If you have comments or suggestion, just hit the comment below. And dun nga pala sa mga clients na may problema sa credit card or nahatakan ng sasakyan, just call me through the numbers that flashing on the screen, or you can message me on my Facebook page, which is Summers Auto Marketing. Usap tayo, guys. So, pwede ko po kayong matulungan dun sa mga nasabi ko na credit card problems or nahatakan kayo ng sasakyan. And then, we have trade-in services din, guys. So, para for fast cash or mabenta nyo ng mabilis yung sasakyan, plus, kung hindi talaga kayo ma-approve sa mga brand new cars, we have second-hand car financing, guys. So, ang binebenta namin dun ng mga second-hand cars is mga sariwa pa, which is halos latest model pa. Mga 3 to 5 years lang yung nagamit ng client, and then low mileage. So again, by the way, this is Summer, and thank you for watching.
Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko. So, see you on my next vlog and bye-bye!